Good morning, dear children. You all know, children, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Each letter has its own sound, and we use these sounds to make words. There are 5 vowels, that means A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y also acts like vowel, but we do not count it in vowels. All vowels are special letters. Each vowel have a short sound and a long sound. If it is only one vowel in a word, it usually make a short sound to make us read the word correctly. We have already learned the sounds A and E. A says A and E says A with their rhyming words. Today we will learn the sound of I. I makes E sound like in igloo, igloo, or in the middle of the word pin, pin. You can hear the sound of E. Speak with me. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. But we will have another sound, that is I. I has a long sound I. So whenever you speak I in a word, you will use its short sound, that is E. Just like the example I ib, I ib, ib, bib, ib, rib, ib, nib. I it, it sit, it kit, it hit, it lit. Then I ig, pig, ig, dig, ig, wig, ig, fig. Then I in, tin, bin, pin, fin. Then I ip, ip, zip, ip, dip, ip, lip, ip, sip. Last but not the least, I id, id, kid, id, lid, id, hid. Children, you should read with sounds to learn how to understand sounds and make new words. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.